Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Lexus IS 250. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, grab your smartphone and make sure its Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your Lexus Infotainment screen. This is the starting point for all your audio and phone settings. We'll guide you through each step to get your device connected seamlessly. Once in the Setup menu, you'll see an option for Bluetooth. Select this to proceed. The system will then prompt you to add new device. Confirm this selection, and your Lexus will begin searching for available devices. On your phone, you should see Lexus IS 250 appear in the list of discoverable Bluetooth devices. Select it, and if a PIN is displayed on your car's screen, enter it into your phone to complete the pairing. Sometimes, connections don't go smoothly. If you encounter issues, try deleting any old Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the Lexus system. A fresh start often resolves problems. Also, a simple restart of your phone and the car's infotainment system can work wonders. Finally, double-check your phone's Bluetooth settings to ensure there are no restrictions preventing it from connecting to new devices. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite music directly through your Lexus IS 250 sound system. You can manage calls, adjust volume, and skip tracks using the convenient controls on your steering wheel, keeping your focus on the road. It's a fantastic way to enhance your driving experience. For more tips and great deals, including a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.